4.7, Chief Executive Officer's Report. Mr. Green.
So, Your Worship, this is the essentially the financial report for the month of December. I'll probably look to Neil to walk you through it. Neil and Dennis.
Who's Nick gone? Get up here.
Councillor Harvey, just to give you a heads up, I've got to take an urgent call about 5 to 4, so I'll just have to disappear again, so you have to come. Sorry about that. All right.
Cast your vote again.
Nothing contentious. Right, Mr. Ward, good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon, Worship and Councillors. So, as it's in the cover item there, we've basically just got the financials and some project reports for this report, and the full performance reporting will come through at the February meeting. So if we start off with the statement of financials, key thing there is, as in before Christmas, the pretty well high-level operating expenditure on track with the increases in revenue, particularly around the regulatory income, some hailage sales, transportation revenue, venue revenue, some additional lease revenue in the landfill. So stronger revenue flows there, 1.15 million, and everything else pretty well tracking on track at a high level. So I'll take that side of it as read. Unless you've got any questions on there, then we have through the various activity reports there, we've broken that down obviously by activity, and you'll see the where they're tracking. Probably before we move on to the activity project reports, which will be a combination of Nick and Dennis, I'll just see if there's anyone got any questions on the
Financials.
December. Sorry. And sorry, the forecast will come through in the 28th February meeting, so that'll be the January results with the forecast based off the December actuals. Didn't quite get it for this report, but that'll be through at the 20th February meeting.
Okay, thanks very much, Neil.
Nothing gone there. Okay, so I'll move into the project reports.
Yes, I guess just like to highlight perhaps either the orange or the reds in the various activities. In transport, the footpath from Whareroka back to Rainbow Point, we'd had a look at that, put it out to tender. The tenders came in very expensive. We only got 2 tenders, and that's something we're experiencing at the moment. We're not getting a lot of interest in our tenders. So we've gone back to the drawing board with that one to see how we can still achieve the goal of getting the footpath and minimising the costs. So we're working on that at the present time.
Dennis, is that because everyone's got enough work on the state and so they get to pick and choose? Or
yeah, well, not only are they picking and choosing, but they choose how much they want to put on, what price they want to put on it. So even if you get a couple of tenders, that doesn't necessarily mean those tender prices are great.
Right, so it's not that we haven't sort of looked at the correct sort of engineer's estimate and things, it's just the opposite?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and we've had about 3 or 4 tenders over the last 2 or 3 months where that sort of thing's happened, where we've only got 1 or 2 tenders, and so we're looking at stuff and then going back out to the market.
Okay.
Something that's happening regionally and nationally as well. My colleagues and myself have been noticing it right around the country.
Thank you.
So in the wastewater treatment plant, we've been reporting for a number of months now with the Turangi wastewater treatment plant. That project was aligned with the dredging that was going to occur in the Takano tailways. DIA don't anticipate getting that contract underway until next summer, and so until they get the material onto site we can't do anything with it, so we anticipate that we won't be able to do anything potentially until the summer after next. Kinloch wastewater disposal field, there's been some delays there getting information together. We have got the detailed design of that disposal field, which would be on the golf course that council owns. During the consenting process there were, I think, 3 submitters. We need to go back to those submitters and work through them the final solution and make sure they're happy with it, and we're just having some time delays getting that information together for them. What else have we got? I think everything else is pretty much on target.
I'll do it. Carry on, Dennis, sorry. It's like changing chairs.
Yeah, no, that's all right. If there's any questions, happy to take them.
Rosie's got that excited with the previous items, she's come back. Excuse me.
Oh, he's going to take
Okay, if there's no questions on the project, sorry, Zane?
Just a random question actually about water, and I've missed the page for that one. And just, you might not even be able to answer. But I don't know, I meant to ask about it. The Motuapa, when they did the marina development, they put water through the township there, through the marina. Was there much discussion in regards with us about them tracking water through the village at Motuapa?
They sought approval to do that, and they undertook that at their cost.
Yep.
A number of the property owners were able to avail themselves of that pipeline and have contributed towards the cost of connection.
I was just wondering, do we miss an opportunity there to go a little bit further with it? I don't know, it's like,
I did cover those who, you remember people, there was a couple of submissions a few years ago, those people, they pipeline.
I went down, I was told about it afterwards, I saw the blue pipe going down, all the digging up, I didn't know what it was, and then I see it was water, and I heard a few people had connected up to it. So we just maybe missed an opportunity there, that was all. That's one. Just wanted to ask the question.
If we move on to the Treasury report then, so this Treasury report is of December. Pretty well, you'll see there from your ticks and your crosses, predominantly everything's going well. Probably just draw your attention on the 3rd page there to the it's the top right hand graph. It's funding and liquidity risk. You'll see there the kind of tan and yellowish type bars in the 2 to 3 year column. That's what we call one of our evergreen, 40 million evergreen facility with one of the banks. That's basically renewed about this time of the year, so that would, in the next report, I'd expect to see that coming through to the 3 to 4 years. So you'll see those percentages change around between the 0 to 3 and the 3 to 5. So that's just ensuring that we've got liquidity risk covered. Pretty well everything else is in compliance there, other than the standard items which we've gone through before. So any questions on that?
Cool. No question on that, Madam Chair. I'll probably take this opportunity as well just to introduce you to Kevin Strongman, for those who haven't formally been introduced. So I would have done it at the front of the meeting, but obviously we had other pressing matters on our agenda at that point. But so Kevin's our Group Manager, Operational Services. I'm not sure, Kevin, because Kevin's very first committee meeting that he had was the Fred Committee last week as well, which was a rather hot meeting. So I'm not sure if it's Kevin or if it's you, but all of a sudden we've had some fairly interesting meetings in Kevin's presence. But Kevin, I'll let you just introduce yourself for just a quick introduction.
Okay, kia ora. So Kevin Strongman, Operational Services Group Manager. I've come to here from Gisborne, worked over there for the last 11 years, but prior to that I was based in Taupo. So I worked for the council for a brief stint, just under a couple of years, looking after water and wastewater. And before that I worked at Cheels for 6-7 years, doing development, power stations and everything like that. So moved back to Taupo for family reasons, to be closer to family, and because it's a great place to live. So looking forward to working with everyone, and it's been a busy couple of weeks with the Fred and this meeting today. So Gareth has assured me this is not the norm. So.
That's the Chief Executive's report, Mr. Chairman. So happy to answer any questions that anybody may have. Be received.
Right. We have a mover.
Yes, I'll move.
Thank you.
Second.
And a seconder.
Yep.
Carried. All those in favour? Aye. Carried.